Hello to everyone and welcome to Adventure Story channel. And again today I have very important to show you about the cranes, okay? Here first of all you will see the oil quantity in the side glass and the temperature also. There is a thermometer inside, okay? Also you can see the quality from the color of the oil, okay? If there is any water inside, and that is. And then we proceed to the handles. Here you can see the hydraulic handles which operator operates, and also somewhere here, this side or this side, there is one small connection for the emergency operation of the crane, okay? These handles must be properly worked. As you will touch for the first time, you will see how they work and you will understand the movement that handle must have, okay? If some handle there are slack or something, you will need to replace, but as you can see here we have a lot of the paint and it will be very difficult to remove the nuts and the bolts, and as you can see you will stay all day there hanged on the crane like a monkey. Okay, the normal test is to check the movability of the crane and to check the limits, and also avoid to paint the machineries a lot because it's very big trouble. There is also some special vents for the some tank which must not be painted, but there is a little people that they know how to handle proper the machineries. Here you can see at the middle, this is the greasing point. A lot of the machineries have greasing points. They must be maintained in good condition. You must grease them, not over grease. This is very important, because if you over grease, what is happening inside the bearings, the bearing is stretched a lot and pressed, and damage can occur with from overheating or something else which we will not know and maybe will not face never, okay? But be careful, not over grease the crane. There is a lot of the points, you need to look for them and you need to determine, okay? And also you need to check the alignment of some bearing by the eye if it's okay. Some of them there is measurements, each company have their own measuring paper. And here you can see limits. Limits are very important also. You can adjust them if they are not working. And also it's better to have some spares. You have two cranes, one starboard side, one port side, left and right, and it's better to have one set of limits because this is very critical equipment for large ships, VLCCs, and ships we are going to load from SBM, okay? Limits must also covered with grease, and they're exposed to the weather, the sun, the waves, the rain, everything, and became rusty, and their movement can be limited through the time. Okay, careful them and test them to be sure that everything is working properly. Okay, check them for movability, grease them, okay, protect them, and these nuts here and that side must be also be cleared and apply grease or one grease tape to protect. Okay, these limits, they're located on the top of the crane. There is a different type of cranes. Some cranes have a different size, some the other, but mostly the functionality is the same and the way of working is the same, okay? There is a hydraulic oil which is very thin, and this hydraulic must be clean. All hydraulic oils, the key for the long life of the equipment is the quality of oil and clarity of oil, okay? If you see some rusty points, take out the layer and apply new paint. But before paint, be careful and read the specifications of manufacturer and see what is exactly the color he used for this machinery. Okay. Also, wires, they have specific time to replace them and check them also. Here we can see also the distributing system of the oil through the system. And here also it's from other angle. As you can see, hydraulic pipes, it's covered with grease tape. And also you must know where is the hose is located to have quickly access to this kind of hoses. I have one experience of these hoses in my last ship, that the crew was not familiar with where is located the hoses, and it's take to us a time to find them. But we find them, we locate them, and we put marks, which is for provision cranes, which is for hose handling cranes, and also some provision cranes, they can be different type. One side it's possible to be for 6 tons and the other side for 3 tons. You must also be checked for that. This is only for the provision cranes, but it depends from the type of the ship, the kind of the ship, maybe will be difference. This is very strong hydraulic pressure pipes. Okay, and here it's a greasing point for the main cylinder to lift up the crane. There's also greasing points and the joint. Here also it's very important to keep working proper the safety, okay, the lock. This is very important, and it's better to have spares and keep greased and check also for movability and for any cracks. Visual inspection also it's very important, and storage also of the crane is very important. Okay. Do not hurry when you make one work. Do not be very quick. It's not necessary. Be normal, take your time and check one by one what is necessary. Do not hurry. This is very important. The safety is the first rule in your life. And here we have more pictures. Okay, this is from the front of the crane. This is the front end of the crane. And next, okay, this is it for today. We will have more photos and more videos like that to explain about any machineries and some overhaulings. Thank you for watching. Do not forget for subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye.